Jen, do you see a lot of shooting stars here?
I've seen a lot.
Man, maybe
like 10 to 15.
I need to get outdoors.
But I still remember about a year ago.
What's wrong with you right now?
No, 2 years ago. We went down to Orange Beach and there was a meteor shower.
What?
So on the beach, just from the condo, we were looking up and you could just see all these meteors.
I need you to call me next time, Jen.
I had forgotten about it until we showed up and we're like, what's that flying in the sky? We thought it was bats for a good bit there, but very, very cool. But you do see them here. Well, as we take a live look across the southeast, what we're starting to see, plenty of sunshine out there, high pressure still in place, and this is going to be influencing us still heading into the weekend. But that area of high pressure, it's going to start moving away, begin to deteriorate just a little bit. So our forecast, it's going to be changing heading into next week. We're going to start to see more of those rain chances begin to push in and more of those air temperatures begin to go down. Now, taking a look at radar just a little bit closer, very minimal cloud cover, if any, that we're starting to see at this time. But also we still have these heat alerts in place. Now, this is a good news that we're starting to see some of these back off. The excessive heat warnings, those are mainly only in place for our Mississippi counties as you travel further out west, meaning heat indices could get to that 110 to that 115 degree range. However, heat advisories in place for the majority of the Foxton viewing area. Our coastal areas left out, and that just means it feels like temperatures could be getting to that 105 to that 100 degree range. A lot of numbers there, but pretty much the bottom line that you need to know, it's going to continue to feel hot heading into today. Many areas feeling like the triple digits, but just some small improvements there. Taking a look at temperatures currently, we're warming up. 91 in Gulf Shores, 91 in Mobile, 92 in Pensacola, and then Jay right now along with Crestview resting at 90 degrees. So we're starting to warm up, but over the next couple of hours, these numbers are going to be rising as well. But feels like temperatures feeling like 102 downtown, 100 in Gulf Shores, and then 99 in Pensacola along with Evergreen. But again, as we make our way into the rest of this afternoon, expecting us to be staying in that triple digit range for those feels like temperatures even later on this evening in case you're making any Friday night plans. Still going to be feeling like the mid to upper 90s. It's going to be toasty out there. It's going to be feeling hot. This trend will continue mainly heading on into the rest of the weekend and also to begin next week. But the trade-off, some rain chances coming back into the forecast. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about what you can expect heading into the holiday weekend, plus also what the beach conditions are looking like. All of that's coming up soon. Joe.
Jen, a lot of sunshine today, but also a lot of heat.
That's exactly right. And we are already feeling that heat out there. 91 in Mobile, 92 in Pensacola. Dew points right now right around 70 degrees. And so the feels like temperatures already feeling like 97, 99 closer towards the coast. Those numbers only going to tick up heading into the remainder of today. Now, taking a look at radar across the southeast, seeing some sunshine out there. You have to remember, you can really just start to see some of those clear conditions, and that's because high pressure is in place. And whenever we start to see high pressure, that's typically whenever we start to see clear conditions, dry conditions, and hot conditions. And so right now that upper air levels, what we're starting to see is that area of high pressure just situated over Arkansas and Louisiana there. You can start to see some of that clockwise rotation. Just a reminder, the opposite direction counterclockwise, that's going to be areas of low pressure. So really we're starting to see this continue. This is starting off for this morning. By the time that we make it further on into tomorrow, high pressure still in place, bringing in some hot conditions heading into tomorrow. Not as high of rain chances. And then by the time that we make it further on into Sunday, we're going to start to see this shift. It's pushing further off towards the east, so this is going to be influencing us, bringing in some increased rain chances heading into your Sunday. But then by the time we get further on into Monday to begin a brand new week, that area of high pressure is instead pushing off closer towards the Florida Peninsula, and even then it's not as strong, so we're starting to see more southerly flow by that point, and that's going to be influencing us, bringing in even higher rain chances. But by midweek, that's going to be the greatest chances. Now, taking a look at this afternoon, daytime highs lower to mid 80s closer towards the coast. As you head further inland, mid to upper 90s, but we could even potentially see some of those triple digits for the actual air temperature. 100, 101, very possible heading into today. And then taking a look offshore south of Dauphin Island. Temperatures right now upper 80s, those wind gusts pretty calm. And then that wave height just ranging around that half a foot up to a foot. It's looking great offshore, but take a look at that water temperature. Upper 80s. It is pretty warm out there. Now, again, taking a look at temperatures right now, what we're starting to see, mainly those lower 90s, some upper 80s so far, but only expecting this to soar heading into the remainder of today. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast and what you can expect heading into the holiday weekend. All that's coming up soon. Joe.